Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. And we are unboxing something that we will not see very often. I've done this once, but we don't see it too often. F1 the movie. And what makes this so special? Well, it is an Apple original film. Now, in all fairness, Apple teamed up with Warner Brothers to make this. This is why A, I think Apple should have placed a bid for Warner Brothers. And B, this is why it's got a physical media release instead of just going to Apple TV. Apple does seem to be releasing some of their movies on physical media. We did unbox Coda, which was the missing link to every Oscar enthusiast Best Picture shelf. But here we have one for F1, and the cover is fine. It's got a little bit of shine in the background, as well as the top. Nothing too special, though. It's highlighting a lot of the racing scenes in the back. It does warn that there are flashing lights in this. There are a few special features, thank goodness. So, by the way, I don't see this being a D-Box compatible movie. I don't even know if at-home D-Boxes are still a thing. But if any movie should have had a D-Box option on it, it was this one. So, and if, for those of you who don't know what D-Box is, that's like a seat that moves. So, you know. All right, let's unbox this. Let's see what the disc itself looks like. Will we get a picture? Will we just get a black disc? It's hard to say, especially since this is an Apple product, technically speaking. Now, I'm going to look on something real quick. So here's a good thing. I am not going to show you, but it... okay, so here's the thing. One caveat to this is that the digital code seems to be exclusive to Apple. Like, you can only redeem this on the Apple Movies thing. You can't do it on Fandango at home or anything like that. And okay, that's pretty nice. They actually did put an image on. You have to look at it pretty closely. It's a car. That's a nice design. It does warn that there are flashing lights on the disc as well. I guess they're really concerned someone might have a seizure watching this movie. I don't really remember what the flashing scenes were, and I saw this in IMAX. So, you know, that's just a thing, I guess. But, so here we go. And, well, there you go. I'm glad to see an Apple movie on disc. I almost feel compelled, not completely, but whenever I see like an Apple movie hit disc shelves, I almost feel like I have to buy just to support the fact that they're coming out on disc. Although, if that John Krasinski Fountain, whatever movie comes out on disc, I won't be buying that one. I mean, I have my limits. But I am curious, what do you people think of this movie? What do you think of this release? Do you have it? I'd like to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one. Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, you know, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.